In this video, we are going to see whether we can able to perform mathematical operations inside system.out.println statement. I'm launching Edit Plus. I'm creating a new Java file. The name of the class is C. Before doing anything, just save this file inside src folder with the name same as the class name, that is C. Save. Now I'll be performing some mathematical operation and we will check for syntax correctness in the command prompt. Ten plus 20. I'm not giving within the quote. Okay, I'm not giving within a pair of quote. If I give within a pair of quote, that will be considered as a string. It will be printed as it is. Okay, there won't be any operations done if I give this content within a pair of quote. Okay, now the second operation, (20 minus 10). Third operation, 10 asterisk. This is multiplication symbol. Then we have division. Let's say 20 divided by 10. As you can see here, we are performing basic mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And this symbol, it is called, sometimes we refer it to as dash, sometimes we refer it to as hyphen, sometimes we refer it to as minus. So in this context, we are performing the subtraction operation, minus symbol. Okay, then this symbol, sometimes we call it as asterisk, sometimes we call it as star, but in this context we are considering it as multiplication symbol. Okay, it is performing multiplication. Now what about this symbol? Sometimes we refer it to as forward slash or solidus or virgule or whack. But in this context, we are considering it as division symbol. Okay, we are considering it as division symbol. It is performing division operation. After you develop this program completely, you just need to save this file. Before you compile it, you must save this file. Now come to the command prompt and trigger the javac command to compile this program. Javac space -d space double dot forward slash classes space the name of the file, that is c.java. Press enter. If there is no syntax errors, we will be getting the next prompt in the command window, and this means c.class has been successfully generated inside the classes folder. Now we need to run this class file. Okay, we need to run this class. Java space hyphen cp or hyphen class path space double dot forward slash classes, just the name of the class, that is C. Press enter. What are we getting? We are getting the result of mathematical operations. Whatever the expression, whatever the expression we have supplied inside this system.out.println statement, the result of this expression we can able to see in the output, that is 10 plus 20, it is 30. 20 minus 10, that is 10. 10 into 10, 10 times 10, that is 100, and 20 divided by 10, resulting in 2. Okay. Now, conclusion here it is, we can able to perform mathematical operations inside SOP. SOP is short for system.out.println.